She's gonna be my ecstasy. It's also for my misery. She's gonna be my ecstasy. It's also for my misery. She's gonna be my ecstasy. It's also for my misery. She's gonna be my ecstasy.
Hey, where you been?
Well, Ever since we became friends, this happens.
Dude, I've known you since we were like 5.
So?
Man, I'm tired of being a virgin.
Me too. Me too. I don't want to die a virgin! Ah, fit. Look at them, Khalifat. Look at them, Khalifat. I'll turn my mom in 2 arms for that lady, bro. Ooh, reminds me of this woman I saw at the taxi rank this morning.
Did you talk to her?
Well, she was about to give me her numbers when this massive... Ooh.
How's that? 5?
That's perfect.
What's he in for? Lwando. What's he?
She wants me
Yeah.
to help her with physics.
Oh. She wants you, bro. She wants...
Excuse me!
So what?
How was the physique?
Good. She understood everything.
What?
She's pretty smart, you know.
Dude, you were with her at a scholar at school and all you do is study?
What else were we supposed to do, Fats? Knit stockings? Yes, we studied.
Kosia.
Hey, Quitty, are you a little girl?
No.
Are you a little girl? No. Then lie. This is not primary school.
But nothing happened.
Hey, I said lie. Make it up, man. I don't want to hear this in my passages.
Wow, Lwando. You just got advice from the cleaner. I believe this is new law. He's right, man.
You're mad.
What? I spread about 7 rumors a day and nothing comes up. I'm good, man, I'm good.
You pig!
Whoa. We've got the chicks, we've got the booze, we got...
Oi! Well. It isn't big as small.
We saw you walking with Amanda the other day.
Physics must have been great, since that's all you did, right?
What? Abaxelang Ndwan?
You must lie, boy. You must lie.
Well, that's not all we did. In fact, physics was the last thing we did. Ooh, this must be good, man.
We must guard against jealousy entering our hearts, like sentinels guarding the border post. It is not always easy to recognize, because it comes disguised in so many different shapes. The seed of it is so small and insignificant that we often ignore it. But it grows into a monster. Silence. I want silence. It grows into a monster which spoils our communication. Order. I want order. Order.
You're like with the hottest chick in school. How do you get this, man? Who's this?
Hey, you know, I actually liked you. Jerk.
And then?
She's just mad because...
Because it's studio. Yeah. Yes. She's mom.
I'm a virgin!
Everything that you heard about him is a lie. He's been living in the shadow of the popular, always trying to be cool. Have you not learned anything since 1994? You are free to be whatever you want to be.
Don't look at me. I'm a man.
Don't you know that if you pretend to be something that you're not, you lose the essence of who you really are?